Ahoy mga ka-T-shirt! It's me again, Mike V, your T-shirt guy. And today, we will unbox a very special item for our very special day because this is the season.
May brush.
Ahoy mga ka-T-shirt! It's me again, Mike V, and I miss you guys. And today, we will unbox something for our Season 2 premiere. Kung interesado ka sa unboxing na to, please stay tuned mga ka-T-shirt. Okay, so ngayon, we will unbox this one. So nakita nyo naman na siguro yun sa description, no? Kung ano ang i-unbox natin. This is an LG monitor. It is not an ordinary LG monitor. It is an ultra gear LG monitor, 31.5 inches. So tignan natin. Buksan na natin mga ka-T-shirt without further ado. Tara na! So, alam naman natin na pagka na naman tayo. Kita nyo naman yung unboxing ko ng PS5, di ba? Parang kalahati nun, unbox lang ginawa natin. It's a typical Data Blitz packaging, no? Sobrang secure.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Sobrang daming layer ng bubble wrap. Grabe. 100 folds.
Buksan na natin. So, tingnan natin yung loob. Tamaan. Okay. So, meron tayong styrofoam. Yan. Styrofoam.
Talaga, Charmin.
Ayan, napakaano niya nakabenches, ha? Tingnan natin ko. Ayan. Ito na. So, this is...
Ang ganda ng panel niya. My God. Wow! Look at that! So, makikita nyo dito, sa likod, merong logo ng LG. Tapos, meron siyang red circular motion, circular panel dito. And then, tingnan nyo yung harap. Ayan. So, yung harap, meron typical na monitor, and then meron siyang NVIDIA G-Sync, no? So, yeah. Okay? Sige. Tingnan natin yung nasa loob pa. So, yun na pala yun eh. So, meron siyang stand. Malamang sa malamang. Ito yung boomerang. No? This is stand. Dito natin lalagay yan dahil wala pa naman tayong yung sinasabit, hindi, yung kinakabit lang tapos sinasabit lang doon. So, di ko alam kung tawag pero bibili pa ako nun. And here, meron siya yung panel dito para magalaw-galaw natin, no? Yan. So, meron tayo yan, meron tayo nito. So, makikita natin yung finished product later. Setup ko lang to. And then, meron tayo ditong ito yung mga nasa loob niya. Power brick. Yan, typical na power brick. And then you have, what's this? Ano to? Hindi ko to alam, pero nasa manual naman yan. So, makilalaman natin later kung para saan ito. And then we have, may libreng HDMI na. Ayan. May libreng HDMI na siya. Ayan. And then meron mga screws and may clip. So malalaman natin yan pag binuo natin ano yung silbi nito. Then you have your manual. Yan, manual. And then you have the warranty card. So itong warranty card, 3 years upon date of purchase. So, meron tayong warranty card, no? Yan. And you have also the owner's manual na CD. Pero makukuha mo rin naman sa LG website. So, just in case na meron kang hard drive, you can automatically read it out. So, babalikan natin yun later. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung mga features na ito, kung bakit ko ito binili, no? This gaming monitor is highly recognized and highly approved by Linus Tech. Kung kilala nyo si Linus Tech, he is a YouTuber. It is hailed as one of the best gaming monitor in 2019. Bakit ngayon ko lang siyang binili? Kasi nagbumaba yung price niya. So, nabili ko siya sa Data Blitz around 17,000 kasama na yung shipping fee doon. And meron din tong availability sa Lazada. Kaya lang sobrang mahal doon sa Lazada. 19K tapos 27-inch lang. So itong nasa Data Blitz na e-commerce niya is mababa lang yung shipping fee. At the same time, same day delivery pa. Okay? So, kung yung Lazada, umaabot pa ng 5 days before it is delivered sa'yo, kahit flagship store siya, itong Data Blitz, same day. Mantakin mo, same day, makukuha mo na agad yung binili mo nung kinagabihan or kinaumagahan. Di ba? So, that's something na you wanted to try din as well. No? Ano ba mga features na itong gaming monitor na to? So, it has 165 Hz refresh rate niya. No? It's a 1 ms MBR or motion blur reduction, no? Ibig sabihin, mas mataas yung response rate niya or yung frame rate refresh niya, no? So, mas maganda, mas clear, mas smooth yung mga objects na nakikita nyo sa loob ng screen. At the same time, it is also an HDR10, meaning hindi siya 4K, hindi siya 4K yung resolution, pero it is compatible for 4K gaming, 4K Blu-ray disc, mga 4K na yan, it is supported pa rin, no? Pag sinabing HDR, hindi siya nalalayo sa 4K, pero hindi mo siya pwedeng tawagin na 4K. Nagigets ba yung point na yun? But, again, hindi naman natin, sometimes yung mga details na yan, hindi naman vivid sa paningin natin eh. So, kung ganun ka meticulous yung eyes nyo and you wanted to have a higher resolution compared to higher refresh rate, so, might get another gaming PC. Pero sa akin kasi, the priority is the refresh rate, which is 165, and of course, the screen size. And then, maganda rin ang kanyang brightness, no? According to the reviews. Sobrang ganda ng brightness niya. Masyadong mataas yung nits niya kung tinatawag nila yung mga brightness na yan. And then, maganda rin siya sa dim light surrounding kapag naglalaro kayo ng mga games, PlayStation 5 or ano. So, yun. Napakaganda. And mas maganda yung black layers niya or yung black intensity niya, mas crisp, no, compared to other monitors out there. And itong monitor na to, most likely ang i-stream ko lang naman is mga PS5 games. So PS5 kasi hindi naman supported ng mga ganun kataas na resolution, no? So I think that's it. Bubuuin lang natin to, tapos titignan natin kung ano yung finished product and kung paano siya mag-display. So wait lang. So, nandito na nga tayo for our outro. Ngayon, nakita natin kung gaano kaganda yung monitor na yun. And then, hopefully, we can use it based on the quality and based on the features, no? Ganun naman yun. I think the money is worth for that one, no? So, napakadali lang niyang i-set up. Mabilis yung transaction with regards to buying it sa Data Blitz. So, kung ako sa inyo, go to ecommerce.datablitz.com.ph and try nyo, no? Try nyo yung same day na transaction nila. Napakaganda. And of course, if you are a BDO user or BPI user, meron silang 3 months zero interest na installment. So napakagandang feature ng Data Blitz. So please check it out, no? And then if you plan to buy it, no, hope you enjoy it, and salamat sa panonood again, and see you again next week for another T-Shirt Guy Vlog Season 2.